Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prakash, founder of Brandrake, the premium brand studio, and of course, your partner for professional logo and branding design. And today, I'm taking you through behind the scene of a real client project, Pinxto Tacos, a taco shop with Spanish twist, of course. You will see real emails, conversation, and how we moved from first brief to the rejected concept, and of course to the final logo and then branding, and how it is being used live today. If you really love logo design, branding, and case studies, grab a coffee and let's dive in. Let's start with client brief. On August 29, I got an email from Pinxto Taco. They were opening a new taco shop with Spanish Pinxto flair. They wanted logo to be clean, simple, circular or oval, and to pop on t-shirt back and front, bar coaster, and as a tattoo. And the key letters which needed to be emphasized on were PXT. And client also shared few images as a reference as well. And tip to the audience, always read your client brief carefully, highlight keywords, always note down somewhere what they want logo to do, not just how it should look. I created my first round of concept inspired by client references, focusing on simple shapes and letter PXT. I sent them on September 5th and here's what client said. To be honest, I didn't like any of these. I want something that will be a little more original. Feel free to play with it in any way that you want. It was disheartening and I was really disappointed from myself that I couldn't satisfy the client in the first round. And you may have also came across the same kind of situation. If yes, mention in the comment box. And of course, you may have also mustered the courage to keep going with the project. In the same way, I convinced myself, Prakash, you have to do it, and you will really convince the client and satisfy him with your good design. And best part which I found in the email client mentioned was he gave me the free hand to work on the design further. Client really turned out to be very kind and generous. And getting rejected, this happens. Good client always want best version of what they are envisioning. So never take it personally. I saw this as an opportunity to create something more original, going beyond the generic references. After the feedback, I redid my search, like what makes Pinxtos unique, what vibes should a modern taco shop have, what will look good on shirt, menus and tattoos. I decided to drop the must-be circular idea and instead I started focusing on essence, tasty tacos with Spanish flair, fun, friendly, bold. So here's the mood board I set up after doing a little bit research on internet. I wanted to check how tacos look like, so I found these images and these were the color I wanted to use, and these are the font. I wanted to use the playful kind of font, so I incorporated the main thing, logo style. I wanted to create iconic, word mark, letter mark and typography. These four styles I wanted to create. So here the sketches I drawn, keeping the mood board in mind. If we talk about from here, so you can see a taco shape plus smile and tongue in this. In this one you're seeing taco shape and plus sun, rising sun. And here you can see the taco shape and plus rainbow. Plus you can see here I also tried rainbow, forming the shape of taco, and simple and abstract minimal style of taco shape I tried. Rainbow plus cloud. You can see these are the cloud shape plus taco shape. I also created mascot kind of. So I created this typography and this one both you can see PXT plus I added taco shape. So the typeface you're seeing, I used a Mount Hill font and form the shape of taco, which is here merging with X. And here's the tip. Sometimes ignoring the references help you create something truly fresh for the client. On September 10th, I sent him fresh design concept fully based on brand story. And guess what? Of course, client loved that. And this is the final logo design we went with. A few days later, client asked me to create shorter version as well, perfect for smaller branding like icons, stickers, and I created that and delivered all the final file to the client. Client was super happy. So was I. But the logo design is just a start. Look at the whole branding I created for Pinxto Taco. I did menu card, banners, labels, packaging, and so many things. When you build a brand, every touch point from logo to packaging to social media post should tell the same story. And here's the best part, Pinxto Tacos is live. Let's check out their website and you see logo and branding in use. And I always love seeing my design helping real business grow. And here's the cherry on the top, client's review. Client left this Google review for my studio, Brandrake. When I work, I always work with my principle, that is client satisfaction is my satisfaction. That's why client was satisfied, so was I. If you really enjoyed this real client case study, drop a like and subscribe for more logo design behind the scene. If you got any question, query, drop in the comment box. If you want to have a good logo design for your brand, you know where to find me. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.